Dear students, most welcome to the video. I think everyone is fine and I am fine. Now let's go to the video. Going to learn in this video around the world. Around the world, we are introduced revolutions, world civilization, international organization, villains in real life. One more, revolutions, world civilization, international organization and villains in real life. Okay, first one, revolutions. What do you mean revolutions? What is revolutions? Forcible overthrow of a government or social order in favor of a new system. One more, forcible overthrow of a government or social order in favor of a new system. A revolution is a radical change in a society and the social structure, especially one made suddenly and often accompanied by violence. Many revolutions have taken place in the past. One more, a revolution is a radical change in a society and the social structure, especially one made suddenly and often accompanied by violence. Many revolutions have taken place in the past. Okay, here are the names of some of historical revolutions. I can read that name. One more, please listen. The Crusaders, the Glorious Revolutions, the American Civil War, the Great Charter, the Magna Carta, the Russian Revolution, the Renaissance, the Industrial Revolution, the French Revolutions. Okay, read the descriptions and identify the revolutions. Take help from the given clues. It was fought by the settlers of America against the Britishers. The war started in 1775 and the Declaration of Independence was announced from Philadelphia in 1776 under the leadership of George Washington. Answer, the American Civil War. Second one, it was the period of Voltaire and Montesquieu. The autocratic monarch, nobles, clergy and privileged classes had brought the socio-economic order to a point of collapse. The medieval feudal society oppressing the serfs and the peasants led the country to financial bankruptcy. Answer, the French revolutions. Next one, by 1917 most Russians had lost faith in the leadership of Tsar Nicholas II. Consequently, that year two revolutions swept through Russia, which later resulted in the formation of the Soviet Union. Answer, the Russian revolutions. The first of its kind was taken by Glodary of Billion. Those were military expeditions of religious Christian nations or the safety of pilgrims who visited the holy places of Christians and also to see that those places were in hands of Christians. Answer, the Crusades. The invention of power-driven machines such as wine, shuttle, spinning jenny, water frame, power loom, cotton gin, steam engine, etc., was a landmark in the economic prosperity of the world. The revolution helped Britain and France to build by political supremacy in the world affair. Answer the industrial revolutions. King John II of England was the worst of the English kings. The peasants and the clergy were annoyed with him. They forced him to sign this sanction in 1215. It was the foundation stone of the rights and liberties of the English people. Answer the Great Charter. It was the time of the great revival of art, literature and learning in Europe. It began in the 14th century and extended to the 17th century, marking the transition from the medieval to the modern world. Answer the Renaissance. Last one. The bloodless revolution brought permanent changes in England in 1688. It ended the despotic rule of the strict kings, the glorious revolutions. Okay, dear students, on the next one, world civilization. The world civilization. Civilization is a complex human society usually made up of different cities with certain characteristics of cultural and technological development. In many parts of the world, early civilization formed when people began coming together in urban settlement. Okay, the civilization is a complex human society usually made up of different cities with a certain characteristics of cultural and technological development. In many parts of the world, early civilization formed when people began coming together in urban settlement. Okay, dear students, I can read one more. Read the description and identify the civilization. Take help from the given clues. Sumerian civilization, Chinese civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Egyptian civilization, Olympic civilization. Okay, Mesopotamia, the region between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers was the area of this civilization. It was one of the world's first two civilizations. The other begins Egyptian civilization. Okay, dear student, its answer Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, dear students, and next one. It was one of greatest civilization of America. The people of that time, around 1300 BC, lived in a swampy lowlands of the Gulf of Mexico. They worshipped the Jagar god. Hence, they were also known as the people of the Jagar. Answer is Olmec civilization. Okay, third one. This ancient civilization in northeastern Africa flourished along the lower the river Nile in modern day Egypt. It is one of the 6 global civilizations which arose independently? Answer is Egyptian civilization. The greatest achievement of this civilization was cuneiform system of writing. Cuneiform means wedge-shaped. What is meaning cuneiform? Cuneiform means wedge-shaped. In ancient times, people used stylus or sharpened reeds to write on tablets of raw clay. Since this caused the lines to look like words, it is called cuneiform writing. Okay, answer is Sumerian civilization. Sumerian civilization. Fifth one, this civilization had the knowledge of urban planning and efficient municipal governments. The streets of major cities such as Mohenjo-daro were laid out in perfect grid patterns. The houses were constructed in such a way that they were protected from noise, odors and thieves. Answer is Indus Valley civilization. Last one, the Yellow River is said to be the cradle of this civilization, although cultures originated at different regional centers along both the Yellow and the Yangtze rivers millennia ago in the Neolithic area. Answer Chinese revolutions. Okay dear students, the Vedic civilization is over. This video is over. And next part, next video. Dear students, thank you. Everyone, I hope understand this video. Okay.